everyone, you're watching Dash of Delight with me Soumya. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most popular North Indian recipe, which is Gobhi Paratha. This is basically an Indian style cauliflower stuffed bread. So come, let's make it together.
I have taken a nice and clean cauliflower and now I'm gonna chop it finely in a manual chopper. If you want, you can also grate it, whatever is convenient to you. See, this is how it should look like. So cauliflower must be chopped or grated really fine like this for this recipe. So take it out in a large bowl, then add handful of cilantro or coriander leaves to it, followed by carom seeds or ajwain. Add coriander powder, garam masala, chili powder and green chilies. But green chilies are optional as we have already added red chili powder. Now here I have already kneaded a dough with whole wheat flour. I'll give couple of more punches and it will be ready. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it out for around 4-inch diameter. See, like this. Now take 2 teaspoons of cauliflower mixture and put it in the center like this. Now secure and seal the mixture into the dough carefully in a way that there are no leaks. See, like this. Now start rolling the stuffed ball into a nice paratha. Do not put much pressure here else the stuffing would come out. Now roast it on one side, then flip it over and apply some oil. Do not put much oil as just a few drops of oil would do the job. Now flip it over and apply some oil on the other side as well. There we go. Now flip the paratha 2-3 times and roast it properly from both the sides. Press and cook it until it becomes crisp like this and enjoy it with some pickle, yogurt or chutney by the side. This is Soumya signing off. We'll be back very soon. Bye.